Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a little update on a couple things I've done out here at our little farm. We've had several little projects that I've done, but today I just was going to show you about the chicken coop that I built, chicken condo, whatever you want to call it, chicken mansion. But anyways, I'm going to give you a little tour of it, and right now I've got everybody outside free ranging, and they're just doing their own thing. I'm gonna turn this around. But most of them out there just free ranging. There's Sammy out there with them. He hangs out with them. A lot of them are take dust baths. There's one out here, Silver, we call her. She's over here doing dust bath. But anyways, I definitely suggest the free ranging. Kind of gets them off your pocketbook for a little bit. But our girls seem to be happy, and I think happy girls lay a lot of eggs. They say if chickens aren't stressed that they lay more eggs. So anyways, this is kind of built after the Carolina coop. What I really was going to show you here, still kind of working on some things, so just like this right here, I gotta fix this. But this is just going to be a feed through window, like if you want to chunk some scraps in or whatever. That's what I got that there for. I got it hinged over here on the other side. Got to do some work on it. But got them a little picnic table, and some little odds and ends that we put around. We turned this portable building into a half of it, or a third of it, I'd say, is a chicken coop. Anyways, I'll show you here in a second. I'll come back to the nesting boxes here in a minute, but let me show you the inside. Got it all enclosed. In fact, I'm working on getting the steps back in place. I just did the final enclosing of the section right here. But anyways, to come in here, then you got some other stuff. Again, still working on it, but put some tin up on the ceilings just to give it, a little farm look. Got opener up here. Did have a thermostat right here. I don't know what happened to it, but anyways, I've got it pretty well secured where shouldn't have any varmints or any mice or anything like that. I don't think get in. I haven't seen signs of any yet. I have it really sealed well. I even got the wire over the window, the wire fabric over the windows. I do have them open. I've got some ventilation going. I'm actually in the process of putting a fan up there. Let me cut. I even got it all wired with power. Let me cut the lights on. So got a little chandelier for them, for the girls. I am planning on insulating this here a little bit better right here, but you can see that was kind of nice. I changed this after I built it. It wasn't where you could open, but then I changed it where you can open, and you can get in here if you need to do anything. But of course, we got one broody hen over here. She's we're gonna let her hatch a couple little chicklets out, so we'll have that coming up here soon. We got some, you can tell, we got a good little load of eggs right here. We got some more over here, but we've all got this where you can get them from the outside. So again, this is kind of built after Carolina coop. I've got hemp in here. I can't actually smell really hardly anything at all. We stir it up occasionally. They say it'll last for like anywhere between, I'd say, 8 months to a year. I'd probably recommend changing every, I don't know, 6 to 9 months, and depending on how many chickens you got, and just but anyways, there's the perches. That's worked out. I did round them off where it's not so hard on their feet. I did even put some rope, this fabric type rope around it to see if they like that better. I haven't actually figured out if they like it anywhere better than this right here. They all just line up on the top and bottom rows. I've got 21 hens and I think 2 roosters. So, and it's plenty of room for them in here. I am going to come back, and this area right over here, I'm going to put some cover, maybe insulate this, maybe insulate that up there as well too. And cover that up. That way they can't be, using the bathroom and everything over there, and it just sitting there. So I am going to plan on fixing that. There's all my wiring there. Wife fixed up the little boxes, real cute, for them. And they seem to love it. But anyways, here's the chandelier. Anyways, coming back out here, even got a little storage up there. Got to finish that up there. Still got some more left to do. It's been an ongoing project. Didn't think it'd take this long. Also, these walls we wooded up ourselves. Everything's insulated right through here, so it's actually fairly well insulated building. What's up, Sam? Sam kind of keeps up with everything around here. Keeps a check on them. Keeps the mice away, snakes away, I guess, I hope. Here's the run we built. So this is, we added this on to it. By the way, up underneath here, something I'm gonna do, it's gonna be pretty neat. Hang around and watch this right here, because here's what I'm gonna do. This area right here, I'm gonna make that for storage, but I'm gonna make a chute that goes to a feeding box on the other side, and where you just pour your feed in. That's my plans. I think I'm gonna be able to make that work. It depends if I can get enough angle to go down where they can feed over there. So if that works out, I'm planning on having it just a stocked up where everything's pretty much automatic. We don't have to, check on things as much out here. Anyways, just kind of, I'm gonna go this way, show you this side of it. But did some swings. I love to swing out here. They'll get up on the swings and swing back and forth. And still got to put some more perches out here. I'm gonna do maybe some old trees or something, I can find, that I'm gonna find some branches and maybe cross them, cross the run. This is something, I got a automatic water right here where they can come up and get their water. It actually works fairly well for the amount of chickens we have. Got 2 dust baths right here that they use. Put them a ladder where they can climb up, get back in the coop right there. I do have it on an automated door where they know they should be inside. I also added this the other day. I did another automatic door just to, in case we want to have, in case they're out here free ranging like they're doing now, and we can't get them all back in. Every once in a while we'll have a couple that want to be a little hard-headed and not come on in, so we'll either leave or we'll have to chase them down for another 30 minutes or so. So anyways, that's what I made that other door for. I am going to put a door right here as well too, in case they are all in. I can shut the door back, and of course they got plenty of room in here. And again, the smell, it's really worked out well. We use shavings, and then in here we use the hemp. And this is another nice little feature here. I did these windows right here. I'm not going to be able to drop them down for you, but these windows right here, these are hinged and they drop down for when it's winter time, and I can close everything off, make it warmer inside here. Then I've got these doors where they'll open as well too. This is a pretty neat little feature right here, and again, have to give this to Carolina Coop. I really I did a lot of research on this chicken coop before I built it, and we spent a lot of time building this. But this right here, actually there's a latch on this side and a latch over here on this side, and this whole unit right here drops down. I've got it lined with this bathroom type tile that you can buy, and I just cut it and glued it in, so it really keeps anything from soaking into the wood and rotting in or getting a smell in it. I don't have to worry about that. And who knows, I might end up doing that on the walls as well too, all the way all inside here, and that way they could be wiped down if they want to. They really shouldn't get messy up, up high. But anyways, I've got some plugs. And you've got to have you where's it at? Oh, there it is. You got to have you a camera watching your hens at night. So I got cameras. It's real interesting to watch them, how they interact with each other. Also got another camera right here that watches the run, so we can see, what all's going on, if the door's shut, if it's closed. Again, it's just, we have a great little time just coming out here, hanging out there. In fact, that's why we got that old chair over there, just to kind of sit and watch them. They're actually very intriguing. Never farmed in my life, never had chickens in my life, and me and my wife just fell in love with it. We come out here and it's our time to get away and relax, and highly recommended it. I found some old tin, and that's where that tin came from, up there on top of the building, and it where I could let the cover the run up and everything. And then this right here, what I will show you, this is another pretty neat little feature right here, the nesting boxes. So I've got these on each side. Again, this is another Carolina Coop. If you look them up, they're known all over the United States for building people's chicken coops, but I decided I wanted to build my own, so that's what I did. So there's our broody hen. We're letting her lay on her eggs, and she's being a good mama. She's actually pretty friendly. But anyways, you can get your eggs right here. Don't even have to go in the coop. Anyways, I'm going to show you some other videos later on too, how to check your eggs to see if they're fertile as well too. So we got a little system. I've got another video I'm going to be posting, so make sure you subscribe and like videos. I've got a lot of how-to videos. A lot of times I'll try to do stuff myself. At least I'll try the first time. But anyways, let me make sure ain't nothing else I'm missing here. Got an automatic feeder right here, so this feeder stays, I think it'll do, I don't know, 25 pounds maybe of food. I can't remember what it is. Holds for 45 days. Feed chickens 12 weeks and up to 45 days. Pretty neat little item and work well for us. Other than that, that's about it. Just feel like I'm missing telling you something, but anyways, y'all, hope you liked the video. If you would, hit the like button. Greatly would appreciate it. Oh yeah, I've got a watering system right here I'll be putting up here soon, that will be catching rainwater off the roof right here. I've got to trim this up, make this straight, and I'm gonna put gutters right here, and that way all that rainwater will flow down into that rain catch right here, and then it'll go to a pipe system over here that they can get their water off of. So just one way to help maintain itself, so we don't have to do as much work out here or be out here every day. We're not out here every day. So anyways, that's about it, folks. I hope you enjoyed the video. Y'all have a great day.